I try to keep my attitude positive always. I make the decisions as if they were doing service for me. That kind of keeps me going as well.
He is an outstanding pest control technician. We missed him greatly when he was off with his injury and are glad that he is back with us.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the compliment. On top of the water, they lay their eggs. You'll see ripples or movement at the top of the water, and that'll be fly larvae. Usually the adults, they lay the eggs down in the water, and it can stay protected because if this doesn't flush out, the eggs stay. And you'll see them, the more or closest that they get to maturity, the more agitation in the water. They're moving around.
Warren's the bug killer. That's why we have him.
There you go.
Anytime we got spiders, he's the guy.
He's the guy.
Oh yeah.
So I used to live in Aurora in a townhouse, and I hired Rose Pest. And Warren was the guy that always came to my house. But anyway, so then, we move out here, we get into this house, and who shows up the first day? I was like, what the heck, man? You're in Aurora. And they changed his route just for me.
See, there you go. One of her luckiest days.
That's right.
There you go.
That's it.